Welcome back to our lesson, the cube root of a rational number part 2. Let's take some remarks. Number 1. The square root of a square equal a. That means if we want to find the square root of 5 power 2, 5 power 2 equal 5 times 5. So the square root will be 5. This means we can ignore power 2 with square root. Number 2. The cube root of a power 3 equal a. It means if we want to find the cube root of 5 power 3, 5 power 3 equal 5 times 5 times 5. So it will be equal 5. It means we can ignore cube root with power 3, and the cube root of negative 5 power 3 also will be equal negative 5. Again, the cube root of 5 power 3 equal 5, and the cube root of negative 5 power 3 equal negative 5. The cube root of a power n equal a power n over 3, where n belongs to z. As example, the cube root of a power 6 will be equal a power 6 over 3 equal a power 2.
Exercise on the cube root of a rational number.
Before starting our exercise, let's remember the cube root of 216 equals 6, and the cube root of negative 216 is negative 6. It means if we want to find the cube root of a positive number, the result will be positive. And if we want to find the cube root of negative number, the result will be negative. Also, since 1 power 3 equal 1, so the cube root of 1 equal 1. Since 2 power 3 equal 8, so the cube root of 8 equal 2. Since 3 power 3 equal 27, then the cube root of 27 equal 3. Since the 4 power 3 equals 64, then the cube root of 64 equal 4. Since 5 power 3 equal 125, then cube root of 125 equal 5. Since 6 power 3 equal 216, then the cube root of 216 equal 6. We can keep this. Also, since 7 power 3 equals 343, then the cube root of 343 equal 7. Since 8 power 3 equal 512, then the cube root of 512 equal 8. Since 9 power 3 equal 729, then the cube root of 729 equal 9. Since 10 power 3 equal 1000, then the cube root of 1000 equal 10. Let's learn how we can find the cube root of any number by using steps. Here you want to find the cube root of 216. we will factorize 216 to its prime number. So we must remember the prime numbers. We will use the lollipop method. 216, 6 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 1 is smaller than 2, so put 0. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Also 108 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 1 divided by 2, 1 is smaller than 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 54 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 5 divided by 2 equal 2, and the remainder will be 1. 14 divided by 2 equal 7. 27 isn't divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Now we have finished factorizing 216. Next step, we will take from each 3 numbers one number. As we see, here we have 3, 2 and 3 of the number 3. So we'll take 1 from 2. Good times, and we'll take 1, 3. 2 times 3 equal 6. So the cube root of 216 is 6. Find each of the following. Here you want to find the square root of the cube root of 729. Firstly, find the cube root of 729. The cube root of 729 is 9. Then find the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. Pay attention, he wants to the positive square root. Now, he wants to find the cube root of 512. Firstly, find the cube root of 512. The cube root of 512 is 8. Then find the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is 2.